So in this subject, we're going to talk about creating a new campaign. So let's say you want to send a quick campaign to the subscribers. So let's say there are 200 subscribers, consider for example, okay? There are 2 subscribers,
Yeah.
so let's say it's 200 subscribers. So you're going to say, okay, success brought, you're going to say like 18 Feb C, okay? C hash, you're going to say C underscore, like campaign, right? Campaign 18 Feb success system, right? And click continue. And then this is the campaign name, regular type. You're going to select the list as 18th Feb success system, right? One subscriber is confirmed, right? And you need to choose the sequence here. So the sequence that I sent you was with 6 campaigns. You see this? 6 emails means 6 campaigns. So you need to choose this sequence. Make sense? You need to choose this sequence, and then you're going to click save and next. And let's say campaign template. Hello, this is my testing sequence. Click this button, right, and scroll down and click save and next. And team, so this will go from this email, right? Support at, so let's keep it to team, okay? Let's switch team at, these 2 emails should be same, okay? Online survey profits.us, okay? And I'll click save and next. Okay. First sequence test. Fine, click save and next. There you go. What time do you want to send to you? Now what exactly we're doing? We are actually broadcasting, okay?
Yeah.
Right? We're creating an email broadcast. So you can also check your spam score, blah, blah, blah here, right? So between 0 and 5, your campaign spam score is 1.2, right? So as long as you're between 0 and 5, that means your spam score is good. Save and activate. Right? And it will naturally go accordingly. Cool?
Cool.
So now what we're going to do is we're going to create a, okay, so this is where we talked about the broadcasting, okay?